Hi friends, what is the exact value of 2 power 20 minus 9? We'll try to figure out without using calculator. First step we will do is 2 power 20. I can write down as 2 power 10 and then square. Because power I can multiply, so 10 times 2, which is 20, which is working. Minus 9, I'll write down as 3 square. Now we do have a formula. If it is a square minus b square, then I can work it out as a minus b and a plus b. So 2 power 10 square minus 3 square will become 2 power 10 minus 3 into power 10 plus 3 by using this formula. Now 2 power 10, which is 1024. So 1024 minus 3 and 1024 plus 3, which will give us 1021 multiplied by 1027. Now 1021 I can write down as 1000 plus 21, and 1027 I can write down as 1000 plus 27. Now I can try to work it out. So let us say 1000 multiplied by 1000, which will be million, plus 1000 multiplied by 27, which will be 27,000, plus 21 multiplied by 1000, which is 21,000, plus 21 times 27. Then we'll try to work it out. So let us say if it is a 27 multiplied by 21, we can just do the small multiplication here. So 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 2 is 2, 0 here, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, and then if we add them, this will be 7, 6 and 5. So 567. Now if you want to add them up everything here properly, so I'll write it down here, 1 million. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 27,000. So 2 7 0 0 0. I'll try to match up my zeros so it's easy to add. 21,000, which will be 2 1 0 0 0, and then 5 6 7. Then we can add up everything. So at the end there's a 7, and this is 6, this is 5, and then 7 plus 1, which is 8, 2 plus 2, which is 4, and then there's 0 and there's a 1. So this is my exact final answer for the question, which is 2 power 20 minus 9. Thank you, friends.